TWS Bluetooth earphones offer a compelling combination of performance, convenience, and affordability, making them an excellent choice for daily commuters, fitness enthusiasts, and casual listeners alike. These earbuds sport a sleek, modern design with a lightweight build that fits comfortably in the ear. The ergonomic shape ensures a secure fit, even during vigorous activities like running or gym workouts. The compact case is portable and easy to carry, providing convenient charging on the go. Equipped with high-definition sound, the GM2 Pro delivers crisp highs, balanced mids, and punchy bass. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or watching videos, the audio remains clear and immersive. The dual modes, music and game, allow users to optimize sound experience based on their activity, reducing latency during gaming sessions for a more synchronized experience. The latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures a stable and seamless connection with minimal lag. Pairing is quick and straightforward, and the earbuds automatically reconnect when taken out of the case. The strong wireless range means you can move freely without worrying about disconnection. The GM2 Pro features dual built-in microphones that effectively reduce ambient noise, ensuring clear HD calls even in busy environments. This makes these earbuds suitable for conference calls, virtual meetings, or just chatting with friends. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 4-5 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. The compact charging case provides additional recharge capacity, extending usage time to around 20 hours. Fast charging support means a quick top-up when needed. The earbuds support dual modes, music and game, catering to different user needs. They also feature touch controls for easy playback, call management, and voice assistant activation, adding to the overall user convenience. The Lenovo GM2 Pro TWS earphones deliver solid performance at an affordable price point. With high-quality sound, reliable connectivity, and features like dual microphones and dual modes, they are well-suited for anyone seeking versatile wireless earbuds. Whether you're listening to music, gaming, or making calls, these earbuds provide great value and dependable performance.